This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto platform for both options and futures. Today, the markets were highly volatile as usual. Morning Nifty crossed 18,900 in futures, then fell nearly about 80 points. Again went up. In the afternoon, there was a sudden dip of about 50 points, again recovered, all over the places. Now, what are the important things today? Number one, though Nifty did not hit all-time high, today Sensex hit all-time high. But this all-time high has no meaning, So we were just about 20-30 point nearer to all-time high. What does it matter whether 20 point up or down? So broader markets are already all-time high. Mid cap is already all-time high. Bank Nifty was already all-time high. Now today Sensex, and maybe it's a matter of time the Nifty may touch. But now the question is, what is the life after the all-time high? Is it going to touch the all-time high and going to come down, or it will cross 19,000 and will trade firmly above that? And those things we will discuss later. Second thing, most important thing today, the surprise thing is the huge outperformance by HDFC and HDFC Bank. And today, look, Bank Nifty was up 92 points. But HDFC Bank alone contributed 197 points, which means that if not for HDFC Bank, Bank Nifty would have been down by more than 100 points. And that's a sectoral index. Now come to the broader index, Nifty. Nifty is up 40 points. But HDFC and HDFC Bank alone contributed 45 points for Nifty, which means that if not for HDFC and HDFC Bank, Nifty also would have closed in red. So, while all other banks are down, ICICI Bank was down, Axis Bank was down, Kotak Bank was almost flat, but this huge outperformance by HDFC Bank saved the Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. So, that is a very interesting thing, but you know that HDFC and HDFC Bank together, it has about 15% weightage in Nifty and more than 25% weightage in Bank Nifty, only HDFC Bank. So we need to see whether the remaining banks catch up with HDFC Bank or HDFC Bank falls. So anyway, we have to wait and see for another 1 or 2 more days. If at the end of the day, FII buying figure was very, very impressive, 4,000 crore. That's very huge. The domestic institutions also bought for about 500 crore. So there must be something we must be missing. 4,000 crore seems to be very, very big. We have to wait for the block deal data in the websites of BSE or NSE. Just now I checked, it was not updated. Probably what I suspect, the Primal Enterprises have sold big chunk of shares in Sriram Transport, and probably a major portion of that was bought by FIIs. That could be one possible reason why FII buy data is very, very high. So anyway, tomorrow I will give you the update because the exchanges have not updated their block deal data. So we have to wait and see for the data. But looking at the open interest, so 18,800 put option had the huge open interest today, and tomorrow is expiry. European markets were almost flat, US futures were slightly lower, but you may remember during the first quarter of this year, and most of the global markets were up by 7 to 8%, we were actually down by 4 to 5%. So in the first quarter, we have underperformed the world market by huge margin, probably because of some huge FII selling, then the Hindenburg report about Adani Group, those may be the reasons. But now we may be outperforming the global markets. US markets, anyway, they are looking bearish only. It's only Nasdaq 100 which is doing very well just because of this artificial intelligence. Yesterday I saw some report, S&P 500 was up about 11% in the last 1-2 months. Out of this 11%, more than 10% contributed only by 7 stocks. S&P 500 is an average of 500 stocks. The top 7 stocks contributed for more than 90% of the rally. The remaining 493 stocks, contributed for just less than 5% of the rally. So if you take out artificial intelligence there, even, Nasdaq would have been in negative. So the globally, the Asian markets are also most of the time, slightly weaker or mixed like that. But we are outperforming, and who knows, we may continue to outperform. As I told you, usually if an uptrend starts, that will last only 10 to 12 weeks. But now the 11th week or this may be the 12th week running, the uptrend is still intact. So the correction should come somewhere here. If it is not coming, then the rally will be even more powerful. So those things anyway we'll discuss on Sunday. So right now, tomorrow market, at least opening will be flat only. It looks like Nifty, it's possible that it will close at all-time high tomorrow. So that will be interesting to see. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.